Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take a glance at the Wing Chun hand forms. Let's take a look. First form of Wing Chun is called Sil Nim Tao. This means little idea form.
While it's the first form a student learns, it's also the most important because this is where you find all the raw ingredients relating to structure, energy, coordination and technique. You see, essentially, this is about you. And it's a process where you'll be shaping, sharpening and testing your tools at every step. Now, if you want practical skills, it's not enough to just do forms alone. But the idea is that you extract the concepts from the form and apply them outside as well. This way a feedback loop's created, where the form is used as a reference to keep the fundamentals intact.
The second form is called CHUMQ. This means searching for the bridge.
In the first form, you learned how to build and maintain a structure that enables your body to function as one. And here in CHUMQ, focus is placed on how you move that structure without sacrificing any of its key details. This is very much about how you relate to the opponent with different tools, with different ranges, while also learning concepts for closing the gap. Now, by this point in your training, you should already know how to channel your energy and the importance of relaxation and momentary contraction for power. And when you add the mechanics of CHUMQ to that equation, your power output is enhanced even more, as is your potential to absorb and redirect greater forces while searching for the way forward.
Next, you have jong. This is the wooden dummy form.
Every form in Wing Chun has its own unique characteristics, and the thing that sets the wooden dummy apart from all the rest is that you're actually interacting with something beyond yourself within the form. Being able to do that means that you can practice your techniques not just by how they look and feel in the air, but also how they feel when they meet a resistance. You can also practice applying pressure while sticking and flowing around the wooden dummy. Like other forms, this is about fighting, and each of the 8 sections within this form demonstrate different tools for different distances and angles with what you feel, informing your timing, motion, and balance of energy.
And the third form of Wing Chun is Bu Zi. This means darting fingers, or some call it thrusting fingers.
This is the final open hand form a student learns, and one of the constant themes throughout Bu Zi is that you'll be using your mechanics and energy for recovery. Throughout the form, you'll see angles of attack that you haven't seen in any other form up until this point. And many of these techniques are intended to put you back on track when your position, technique, or structure have been compromised. And like all the forms, Bu Zi's true value lay in the fine details, because when you're aware of the key drivers, you can adapt any of these techniques to fit a given situation.
So there were 6 Wing Chun forms in total. We've just looked at 4 of them. The last 2 are the pole and the knives. If you want to see those, you've got to earn it. In the meantime, hit like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll be looking at why we do forms and if there's still value in doing them. I'll see you in the next video.